Well, we're back with cutter deck. New belt on, back on the machine, see if it goes. Roll the credits. Welcome to the man cave. Let the games begin. So, here we are. We have our new belt, the John Deere belt. Here is part number if you need it for one of these machines. There we go. They even got a diagram on the back to tell us how to fit the belt. But we throw that away. And we take our old belt off. Come on, there you go. You got to take these idlers slightly off so you can actually get the belt off, because it won't come past the guide if not. You can try and crank them through, but there ain't a lot of point. So there's our old belt. So let's get our new one on, making sure we ain't got no twists in it. That's on that side. There we go. And as you've noticed, yes, I did actually touch the deck in yellow. Perfect. This one got to come round here. There we go. Do him up. This is the bracket we welded up yesterday. I've already done the deck bearings this morning. They've been replaced. Because we had to do the deck bearings as well. So our new belt is on. So we can get the machine out now and refit this cutter deck. So our mower is out. Let's get this cutter deck back on. Yeah. God, these are heavy little swines. Right. Now, right, we've got our bits. You said never let me go. 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 You said Right, next job is to get the clutch cable on. Let's zoom out a bit so you can see what we're doing. There we go. So there's our clutch cable. We've got to come underneath the belt. That's quite important. So we come underneath the belt and hook that spring in that little hole there. There we go. Now that spring pulls back and comes into this bracket here. And that pushes in there. And then an R-clip just goes over this belt so that don't come out. So we just put this R-clip over here like so. How the hell did that R-clip go on there? Right, that goes through the back. Gotta find the hole. Come on. There we go. That R-clip just sits around the back of the cable. And that's pretty much it. She's pretty much on. We'll get the plastic covers on. Get the belt over the front of the engine. Let's do that now. Oops. Oh, I didn't put this clip on right. There we go. Let's get this clip back on there, right? Where are we? Right, come on, there we go. That's that one on there. And we'll get this belt back over this engine. So we're going to come over the top of this and on there, around our engine and back over there. And that should be our belt on. So we need to just put the blade lever on and make sure everything's tight. Everything's tight. Belt is lining up perfect with the pulley. We're not catching on that back guide. We don't seem to be snagging up on anything. So I think we're pretty much ready. We'll check the height adjustment. There you go, deck is lifting. Deck is lowering. Perfect. This is pretty much ready to give a test run. That clutch cable is where it should be. So we can now get our plastic covers on. There we go. Is that one on? That one on. See what I mean by these covers? These covers stop you seeing or doing anything underneath that cutter deck, so you can't clean all that grass off. And we've got another cover to go on the other side here. There we go. Let's get the other cover on the other side. Right, here we go. Let's get this one on this side. We'll let that cutter deck down, actually, that'll make it a bit easier to fit. Stickers the right way up, so we know we're going on the right way up. So these do make the lawnmower look pretty, but as for making it better to work on, that's not really how it works. There we go, we're on the clip there. These are just these silly little screws what go in like half a turn. There we go. Come on, get up. There we go. And a clip in the back. There we have it. Our covers are all on. But that's what I mean by there's no ease of cleaning. Because now all these covers are on. You can't blast under there to get all that grass off. So what gets under there, I'm afraid, has to stay under there. Really, really bad design. Let's get this thing fired up and see if she cuts grass. Right, here we go. Alright, let's go see if we can cut some grass. There we go. Blower, I'll go down to about, I don't know, 2.5 will do. Break off. Forward motion. Revolutions. And let's put our car deck on. There we go. Cutting grass beautifully. I mean, this is wet, so that's not ideal. But you can see she's definitely chewing the grass up. Making a lovely job of clearing the leaves up where we just come from. There we have it. There we have it. Down, tick over, deck up. There we have it. So, there we go. You can see we've made a lovely job of clearing the leaves up. So this is all done now. Customer does normally have the side chute fitted, so that actually blows the leaves up into the basket. But I never bothered bringing the tube with me, because to get it on my trailer, because I got an 8x4 trailer, and to get it on the trailer you have to take the tube off. So I leave that at the customers. But yeah, the tube is normally on there. I'll just pop that back on for her when I return the mower. But yes, we just got to do an engine service on this. So when the parts for the engine turn up, we'll give her an engine service. That won't be today though. And then this one can go back. Got to go around all the greasing points and give the thing a full service. Clean up the battery connections and oil filter, air filter, do some greasing points. The mower deck's already been checked. Check all the electrics and safety switches. If everything's good, she'll be done. Alright, that's it. Man cave's going. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. and we'll see you next time, which will probably be the end of the service on this. Then we'll get on that Reliant. The Reliant will be done, don't worry. I'll just have to put this work first. Right, see you next time. Bye-bye for now. Ha ha.